Hi, in the previous lecture I said that we need to add another field to our models. This field is the slug field. We use this field in the URL, just a field that Django creates from the name or any kind of fields you define, so that we will define a slug field. This field will be filled with data from the name of the meal. Okay. First of all, we need to import the slugify library from Django. So we will say from Django.utils.text import and it's slugify. Just like this, okay? And now we will add our field models.slug field, just like this. This field takes blank and null equal true. Okay, this is just the meal slug. Okay, now let's run our server. Our server is working. Okay, but now we've just created this slug field. We need Django to fill this field from the name of the meal. Okay, so here let's override the save function. I'll say dev save. The save takes self and args and keyword args. Okay, and here we need to type if not slug, if there is no slug, and name. But we need to add self for them. If not self.slug and there is self.name, if there is no slug and there is a name, we need to create the slug from the name. So we will type self.slug equal to slugify, this library which we imported from Django, the self.name. Okay, and here we will type super. The super takes the name of the model, meals, then self.save. Okay, and we need to add args and keywords. Just like this. We just overrided the save function for this model, and we said if there is a name and there is no slug, slugify this name and add this name, the slugified name, to the slug. Okay, let's make migration and migrate again by some managed by make migrations. We added a slug field to the meals. Okay, let's say migrate. Let's hit run the server, and now let's open our Django admin. Let's run the server. Let's open this class Turkey, and here we have a new field named slug. Okay, we need this slug to be filled from this name. Okay, let's hit save. Let's open the class Turkey again, and we have this slug. Django filled this field from this name. Okay, let's open the best, and here there is no slug, and if we saved this field, let's open it again, and we have best. Okay, this is an A. Okay, let's save it. Okay, we've just created the slug field, but now if we look at the home, we can see that meal is misspelled, so we need to rewrite this field. Okay, let's define our meta class here. I'm gonna type class meta, and we will say verbose name equal to, and the verbose name plural equal to. Okay, this is the singular name and this is the plural name. This name, let's say meal, and this is the plural name, let's say meals. Let's save this. Let's refresh the page. We have here meals, and if we open meals, we can see add meal. This is the singular word and this is the plural word. Okay, now we've just added the slug field to our models or to the meal model, and now it's time that we create a view for this meal. We should see all the meals and we should see also one meal. Okay, we will start adding this on the next lecture.